have this question that I received. I'm really interested to start an online business, but what is really the startup cost? I could say is that in any businesses, there's always an investment, right? But with the online business that we have, the startup cost will really depends on how much really you want to start with. You can start big, you can start small. It depends really on um, um, with you, where do you want really to start. So I think the best thing that I can do for you is when I started this business is that I follow the process that first I watched the free webinar, and then I did watch and then I said okay, I wanted to have a look of what it really is, and then I paid the 149, which is one off only that you have to pay, and this is refundable for one month if you think that the business is for you. Now you will be given all the video trainings, all the videos regarding what company we are educated, what products. There's loads of products, and then that you can there's loads of products in there, the affiliate companies that we are affiliated. And if you really decided to go to start the business, then you have to go for the coaching call, which in this they will give you, the coach will give you all the possible insight, all the insights that you need to have really to start. It means to say they will give to you, lay to you the business of how you can start the business. If you want small, you can start with. If you want to go ang big one as well, you can do. So so that is what really is the process that you need to follow. So if you're really quite interested really, so then go for that process that I've been. And that's the reason why for me, I just started in the middle. So that's why I started on the middle capital, middle investment. So it's really up to you where you're comfortable, because at the end of the day, this is your business. And then yeah, so I hope I've really given you the insight.